This is the Certified Court Reporters examination. This is for Missouri. And we left off with the officers of the board for the examination. And so we will continue with duties of the board. Duties of the board. The board is charged with the duty and vested with the power and authority. A. To determine the content of the examinations to be given to applicants for certification as certified court reporters. B. To determine the applicant's ability to make a verbatim record of court proceedings by a recognized system designated by the board. C. To issue certificates to those found qualified as certified court reporters. D. To administer a continuing education program for certified court reporters. And E. To promulgate, amend, and revise regulations relevant to the above duties and to implement this Rule 14. The regulations shall be consistent with the provisions of this Rule 14 and shall not be effective until approved by this court. Application for certification. Every applicant for examination for certification as a certified court reporter for certification as a certified court reporter without further examination as provided in Rule 14.06 shall file with the clerk of this court a written application in the form prescribed by the board. The applicant shall pay a fee to the clerk of this court at the time the application is filed. The fee shall be in an amount provided in the regulations of the board and shall not be subject to withdrawal by the applicant in the event the applicant decides not to take the examination or is denied the right to take the examination. Upon request, the clerk of this court shall forward to any interested person application forms together with the text of this Rule 14 and copies of regulations promulgated by the board under the provisions of Rule 14.03. Eligibility for certification. Applicants shall be at least 18 years of age and be of good moral character. Admission without examination. A certified court reporter certificate issued before December 31st, 2001 and in good standing on that date shall remain in full force and effect unless thereafter revoked or suspended as provided by this Rule 14. B. Until July 1st, 2002, upon application and payment of a $100 fee, a court reporter who holds a certificate as hereafter specified that was valid and current on December 31st, 2001 from any of the following organizations shall be issued a certificate without examination. 1. A Missouri Certified Shorthand Reporter certificate from the Missouri Court Reporters Association. 2. A registered professional reporter certificate from the National Court Reporters Association. 3. A certified verbatim reporter certificate from the National Verbatim Court Reporters Association. And C. A person shall be issued a certificate containing the designation G if the person 1. Verifies upon written affidavit from the 3 current members of the Missouri Bar in good standing that the person has been actively engaged in the practice of court reporting in this state in the 24 months preceding December 31st, 2001. And 2. Makes application and pays a $100 fee before July 1st, 2002. The G designation indicates that the person has not completed the testing requirement as a certified court reporter, but is permitted to continue the practice of court reporting. No certificate pursuant to this Rule 14.06 shall issue after July 1st, 2002. A person who has not been actively engaged in the practice of court reporting for a period of 24 months preceding December 31st, 2001 has 24 months after December 31st, 2001 to pass the certified court reporting examination. The person may be awarded a temporary certificate by the board upon application and payment of the required application fees. The temporary certificate shall be valid for a period of 24 months and shall not be renewable.